Ether creeps towards its all-time high, and Strategy buys more Bitcoin. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasie. Ether rose from $4,000 to $4,300 over the weekend, dragging Bitcoin along after it struggled to extend gains. Senior analyst at FX Pro Alex Koptikovic said that this is one of the few times when a rally in major altcoins has inspired Bitcoin to break through. Usually, it's the other way around. Still, at least two factors call for caution on the part of the bulls. First, according to CoinGlass, Bitcoin is still trading at a discount on Coinbase relative to Binance, a sign of weak demand from the US-based institutions. And second, cumulative spot and futures trading volumes are notably lower than in July, when prices first topped $120,000. Now, Ether is carrying a more bullish mood on Deribit. The notional open interest in Ether calls is nearly 2.3 times greater than in Ether puts. The rise is supported by on-chain activity, daily transaction volume, and a number of new addresses nearing the high reached 4 years ago. Still, Ether appears vulnerable to pullbacks because 97% of ETH holding addresses are in the money, according to Centaura. In other words, the current price is above the acquisition cost of most addresses, which means there is strong incentive for these holders to take profit. Michael Saylor's Strategy disclosed another purchase of 155 Bitcoin worth about $18 million. The announcement comes on the 5-year anniversary of Strategy, then called MicroStrategy's first Bitcoin purchase. This brings its total stack to 628,946 coins, valued at around $76 billion, representing about 3% of Bitcoin's fixed 21 million supply. Since adopting Bitcoin, MSTR has gained over 3,000% compared to Bitcoin's nearly 1,000% return. Its success has inspired a wave of Bitcoin treasury strategies among other corporations. The top 100 public companies now collectively own 964,314 Bitcoin, much of it financed through capital raises that follow the Strategy playbook.
Midnight is a privacy-enhancing blockchain, introducing vital, programmable privacy and selective disclosure capabilities. It means dApps can allow users to control what information is revealed without putting sensitive data on-chain, allowing you to break free from the limitation of choosing between utility or privacy. We deserve more when it comes to privacy. Experience the next generation of blockchain that is private and inclusive by design. Break free with Midnight. Visit midnight.network/breakfree.
And Harvard disclosed $116 million in BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust in a quarterly report with the U.S. SEC. The holding represents one of the largest known Bitcoin allocations by a U.S. university endowment. The position places the university among a growing cohort of institutional investors from hedge funds to pension systems that are including regulated Bitcoin products in their portfolios. Harvard's disclosure comes as total assets across U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs have climbed into the tens of billions of dollars. BlackRock's IBIT is leading the pack with total inflows of $57,786 million. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time.